everyone, I hope you are having a fantastic day. I'm so excited for this week's Walmart haul because Walmart is making room for all of their new inventory, which means they have some of their best-selling items marked down on clearance. I have some bags, some hats, some casual and some classy outfits. So sit on back and relax and let's get into this week's Walmart haul. Just a few announcements before we begin. All of the items will be linked down in the description according to the number that you see on the screen. I will also have my measurements and any information that you might find helpful down in the description as well. And lastly, I really need your help because I'm gonna let myself keep one piece from this haul, and y'all, I don't know what to keep. So please let me know down in the comment section which piece is your favorite or which one you think I should keep. So in this first outfit, I have on this flannel shirt by the brand Time and True. It is $14.98. It comes in 8 different colored plaids, including this really pretty one for fall. I'll make sure to put all the different color options on the screen for you, but I am so excited. I have to get that one because I don't think I've ever seen a flannel shirt scream more fall than this one. I did size up in this to a size medium just to kind of have that oversized look. However, I think I would have been totally fine just getting the small because I really like the way that this is designed where the front is a little bit shorter than the back. That way it's perfect to wear with leggings or anything where you're trying to get a little booty coverage. Another thing that I really love about this flannel is the material is just as lightweight as like a dress shirt, but when I got it in the mail, I was so pleasantly surprised at how soft the material is. And here in South Kakalaki or South Carolina, it is still warm during the day. We have some cooler times when the sun is not out, but during the day, it still can get pretty hot. And I think this is the best way for us to be able to still participate and look fall-y when it's still hot outside. So I really appreciate that. I think it's so nice. And I think you really cannot beat it for only $14.98. I have it paired with these faux leather leggings by the brand Time and True, and they are $14.96. They are a nylon spandex blend. They are a pull-on style with a wide waistband, and they are fitted through the legs. Now, I did get the brown ones in a size medium and the black ones in a size small because I wanted to see how they fit. I do prefer the size small, and you will see that soon. So I think you'll be totally fine sticking to your true size. They are definitely a great dupe for the Spanx faux leather leggings, which are $98. The only difference is that these have the hem or like the seam up the front where the Spanx ones don't. But if you don't mind that, I would definitely snatch these up because this is honestly the cheapest dupe that I have found yet. The boots that I am wearing are also from Walmart, but they are from last year. So I will try to link something really similar down in the description as well. So I got really brave and I purchased a hat. As you can see, I am not really a hat person, but I really want to be one because I think these girls look so cute in these pictures. So I picked up this hat by the brand Time and True, and it is their women's boater hat with braided trim. This is one of their best sellers, and it is on sale for $11. So if you are kind of on the fence about hats, I would definitely recommend picking this up because it's a really inexpensive way to see if you are going to like how a hat looks on you. This next dress is by the brand Scoop, and it is their women's asymmetric ruffled mini dress, and it is another bestseller, and it is on sale for $21. This is originally priced at $34, so this is a really good deal, especially if you've had your eye on this dress and you really weren't sure about it. Now is definitely the time to snatch it up. It's available in 4 colors and patterns, though some of them are selling out very quickly. So again, if you are interested in this, make sure you add it to cart quick. It's 97% cotton and 3% spandex, and it is machine washable. It is a midi length with a button closure. It has a stand-up collar and a self-tie belt, and it has pockets. That is so cool. When I was styling this, I completely forgot that it had pockets, so I didn't get to try them out, but it does have pockets. So in this next outfit, I am wearing this tunic by the brand Time and True, and it is their women's ribbed tunic top. It is $15.98. It is another one of Walmart's best sellers, and y'all, this top really, really surprised me. Now, I did size up to a medium in this because I, again, wanted that oversized look, but I would have been totally fine sticking to my true size small. It does have that high-low tunic fit to it, so there's no need to size up to get, you know, extra length to cover your booty for leggings. I am on Walmart's website all the time looking for new pieces to show you, and I have seen this tunic every single time I'm on that website, and to be honest with you, I thought it was kind of boring. So I didn't think anybody was going to be interested in it. I surely wasn't. But when I saw that it was a bestseller, I was like, okay, you know, I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna see what all the hype is about. And when I got this in the mail, I was like, okay, I get it. Like, I get it. This shirt is so soft and cozy, y'all. I can't even explain how comfortable this shirt is. Now, I am wearing this tunic with the black pair of the Time and True faux leather leggings, so hopefully you can kind of see the difference when it comes to sizing. The brown ones kind of bunched up at my legs because there was a little bit more room there, so I do like the small because it's fitted all the way down. So it just kind of depends on what your preferences are, but I am glad that I got to show you, you know, the different sizes and how they look. So I have it styled with this backpack by the brand Time and True, and it is their women's ruby backpack coming in at $32.98. Now I think that $32 or almost $33 is actually really expensive, especially for Time and True, because they are, you know, one of the more affordable brands at Walmart. But this bag is definitely worth it, at least in my opinion. The material is so soft and nice, and this green color is so on trend this year. I love the contrast that it has between like the lighter green and the darker green, and this bag will hold so much. It has a grab and go top handle, or you can just throw it over your shoulders and you're out the door. In this next outfit, I am wearing this top by the brand Free Assembly, and it is their women's fine rib turtleneck sweater, and it is $18. And this turtleneck is available in 15 different colors and patterns with several different stripe variations, several different stripe variations. So there really is something for everyone. It is 97% cotton and 3% spandex, and this one is machine washable. It is a lightweight rib turtleneck with a fitted fit. With a fitted fit, what does that mean? It is a lightweight fitted turtleneck, and it's going to be a great staple in your wardrobe this fall and winter. And I have this turtleneck paired with these pants by the brand Scoop, and it is their women's crinkle wide leg pants, and these are on sale from $28 down to $17. They do come in sizes extra small to 3XL. I did get mine in a size small, and I think it fits so good. They are available in 3 colors, including a red that would look so good for holiday events and parties. And I got mine to wear to the office because there is nothing better than being stylish and comfortable at the office. They are a high-rise, say that 5 times fast. They are a high-rise, wide-leg, pull-on style pant with an elastic waist. They feature a soft finish crinkle design, and I have to agree that these pants are very, very soft. Now, the fabric on these is a little more thicker than I was anticipating, which I really do like because I feel like these are going to help you stay warm even into the winter months. And if it's really cold where you live, you can always just throw on a pair of leggings underneath it and you are good to go. So we are about halfway through this video, and I just wanted to chime in and ask that if you have found any value from this video, any entertainment, or just want to be really awesome, I would really appreciate it if you'd hit that like button. It really does help out my channel, and I really do appreciate your support. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and join this little YouTube family. I do post beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content that is designed to help you save your time, your money, and your peace of mind. So if that all sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that way YouTube will let you know whenever I post a new video. All right, let's get back to the video. So I did style this outfit with this crossbody brand. So I did style this outfit with this crossbody bag by the brand Time and True. And it is their Nora's crossbody handbag. And I got mine in the color white. It does come in 4 colors, including this really trendy fuchsia color that I am kind of interested in maybe picking up as well. This fuchsia color is really on trend right now. Any kind of pops of color are really on trend right now. So this would be a really good and affordable way to kind of jump on that trend. It has an adjustable strap, which I love because you really can have it be perfect to your body type and where you like the bag to, your crossbodies to land on your hip. It does have multiple zipper pockets, and I really do love this boho style. And for $16.94, it is really a killer deal. So I wanted to have a little bit of fun. So I did pick up this hat by the brand Madden NYC, and it is their women's boucle bucket hat. I want to give a special shout out to one of my viewers for correcting me and telling me how to say boucle, because I was absolutely saying it wrong in my last Walmart haul. So thank you so much for letting me know. Now I don't sound like a complete idiot. This is another one of Walmart's best-selling items, and it is on sale for $8, down from $10.97. So not a huge deal, but I think it's a really great hat for $8. It is a bucket style hat, which is really on trend for this fall season. And I just really love all the different color combinations that are in it. So you can really pair it with lots of different neutrals. You could dress it up or dress it more casually. So I do think it's going to be a really nice, versatile piece for your wardrobe this season. This next dress, I am in love with this dress. I think this might be the one that I keep, but I'm also kind of like, where am I going to wear this? I literally live under a preschool decorated rock, so I don't really go anywhere. I think that you could definitely, put a blazer on this and wear it to work, but I think it is so cool and so, what's that word? So flattering on at least my body type, which does not have a whole bunch of curves, but you can't tell with this dress, which is one of the things I absolutely love about it. I guess I should tell you what it's all about, or I guess I should tell you what it is. It is by the brand No Boundaries, and it is their juniors striped dress with long cutout sleeves, and it is $19.48. This is a juniors brand, so I always do recommend sizing up one, and I did size up to a medium, and oh, it fits so well. I, again, just love this dress so much. It does come in 4 different colorways. I picked the one that has the black on the bottom because, black makes you look, slimming and kind of hide some of those bumps and lumps that you're trying to hide. I do not have any shapewear underneath this dress, and I don't think that I need it. I think it just does a really good job of doing its thing. But I think this would be really good for like a night out on the town, a girls' night, all sorts of things. So if you like this kind of bodycon dress, I would definitely scoop this up. It is so soft, so forgiving. I just can't say enough good things about this dress. So please tell me what you think down in the comment section. I love to hear your feedback, and don't forget to tell me which item you think that I should keep. We're at the point in my video where I do say a prayer for anyone who is interested. If that is not your cup of tea, I totally understand. Before you go though, I will have my Walmart haul playlist and some other videos down below that I think you might like. So please check them out after this one. And I do hope that you and your family stay happy and healthy. And I hope to see you in my next video. If you are staying for the prayer, I just want to mention real quick that you are absolutely, no. If you are staying for the prayer, I just want to mention really quickly that you are more than welcome to send me any prayer requests that you may have. I always have my Instagram and my email address down in the description as well. So please feel free to send them my way, and I will absolutely pray for you or your family and loved ones in the privacy of my own home. I would never put your prayer requests or pray for you on my channel. But right now, I'm just going to say a little prayer. So if you would like to pray with me. God, thank you so much for all that you do, for all that you are. Lord, I just lift up my viewer to you right now. God, you know the need, you see it all, you know everything that they are going through. And I just pray, God, that right now you just touch their heart and let them know that no matter what is going on, that you have everything under control. I pray, God, that you give us the gift of faith, God, that even though we may not see it, maybe we can't feel it, and we certainly don't know it, that we can put our trust in you and that you will make a way when there is no way. So, God, I just want to thank you again for bringing these beautiful people to my channel. And I pray that your will be done in their lives. I pray for their family members. If anyone is having any sickness in their life and in their bodies, God, I pray that you be their great healer. I pray for provision for those who need it, for financial blessings, for jobs, for deliverance from addiction. And I just pray, God, that the peace that surpasses all understanding just cover them right now and moving forward. And I pray, Lord, that you just keep us safe and happy and healthy to the next time we meet. And in Jesus' name I pray, amen. I always feel so after I say a prayer on my channel. That's a horrible word, a horrible sound. So thank you so much for staying for the prayer. I do appreciate you staying to the end of this video. And if you stayed to the end of this video, will you put a leaf emoji down in the bottom so I know? And again, I really do appreciate your support. And I do hope to see you real soon in my next video. Bye.